In today's tutorial, we are going to see how to create a thriller film like this.
In 1805, recluse Leonardo, gifted with a unique mind power, wrote of a samurai superhero battling a zombie in South Nigeria. Unbeknownst to him, his tales materialized globally.
With the help of Pika Lab, and towards the end, I'm going to give you a special tip which will help you to create a cinematic film like this. Make sure you stick to me till the end. And for now, let's begin with the tutorial. Step 1. Creating the story. So today I'm going to create a story with the help of GPT 3.5. Here what I usually do is I give my storyline within 3 to 5 sentences, and then I ask GPT to make it divided into 5, 6 or 10 scenes with dialogues and image prompts for the story, and then go to the send message option. ChatGPT will divide your storylines into 5 different scenes, and along with it you can see I have got the dialogues and I have also got the prompt. Now let us move forward to the second part. Second part is creating the voiceover for your story. Since I am going to use some dialogues, I'm going to use 2-3 different voices. So if for my story I need 2 voices. So for this I'm going to use 11labs.io. I'll be leaving the link in the description. Here you have 2 options. One is speech to speech. You can either record your own audio, and alternatively you can go to this text to speech option. Well, for this video tutorial I'm going to use text to speech option only. If you want to learn more about speech to speech, please feel free to give me a comment so that I can create a separate video on this. Copy the first dialogue, and here I'll simply paste my dialogue. Now you can go to this voice library option in order to choose one suitable voice from here and just go and add it to Voice Lab. Go to this drop down, we get all those voices which you have cloned or you have added. And I'm going to use this Dave's voice. Once it is suitable, you can go for further settings, but I prefer to stay in default mode. Go to this generate button in order to generate the voiceover. You can go to this bottom right hand side, download button, and download it in your laptop. So like this, one by one, you will have to create a voiceover for all these dialogues as per your storyline. Now let us move over to the third part. Now for creating the video, we are going to use Pika. Now previously Pika's interface was different. Recently Pika has changed its interface, and they are coming up with a wonderful browser-based software where we can easily create videos out of our words. But for now it is on its launch mode or beta mode. I am already there in waiting list. So once my account is approved, I will be making another video on this newest features. But for now, to access this, we will have to go to this Discord option. Once you go to this Discord option, if you have already a name or a Discord account, then you can directly get into the invite link and get into the Discord account. Otherwise, you'll have to give a name, then continue. Now it will be directing me, and my mail ID and password has to be given, and I'll have to claim the account. Well, for this reason, I have already got an account, so I will be stressed. Once you create the account, this will be the dashboard where you'll get it. And here you have different rooms, right? You can select any of the rooms. So here the first thing is you'll have to go to this message box, click /, then a couple of options will appear. Now you can go to this create prompt option in order to give a prompt. Now for giving a prompt, let's suppose I want a samurai according to my storyline. So for this, I will give exactly the same prompt here. Now I have given a standard prompt here. Okay, a samurai superhero is walking towards the camera. If this much only I give, I don't add anything, and enter. Now here in this yellow brownish box, you will get your video. So this is the video they have generated. Well, I am not very happy with this video because the face is kind of blurred, and so I need to refine the prompt. For this, there are 2 options. Either you go to this shuffle option where you get your prompt ready, and here you can modify it. So I will be adding a couple of more lines here. Here I have added a couple of things. One is cinematic pixel 3D style. Next is negative prompt. So you give -neg. Here you will have to add the negative prompts. FPS, that is frames per second. Here we can add a value between 8 to 24. So the more value will be, it will be smoother. Decide If that is causing distortion in your video, then you should be keeping it 12. Otherwise, at this moment, I'm keeping it 24. Now, guidance scale. Guidance scale basically gives an idea about following the prompt which I'm giving. Now, guidance scale also varies from 8 to 24, but I prefer to give it 16, somewhat in between. Now, camera movement, make sure if you want object to come forward, then you'll have to add walking forward, these words here. And in camera movement, you'll have to go for zoom out. And if you want your subject to go away from camera, then you'll have to give zoom in here, and here you'll have to give walking away or walking backwards. Okay, so these are the two combinations you'll have to remember. Motion, again, motion has 0 to 3 values, so I prefer to keep it 1. Motion indicates how much your scene's objects will move, and seed is a random number. You can give any random number and then go submit. So we will have to wait, but at the same time I would request you to go for this shuffle option 2-3 times so that you get the same prompts 2-3 results. See, here our videos are ready. You can very well see these are their styles have changed. So if you like any of these, you can go ahead and go to this download button in order to download these videos. Meanwhile, we will see another way of generating video. We are going to deep dive into Pika 1.0 version, which is a browser-based version. And I'm going to show you step by step every single aspect of Pika 1.0. And at the end of this video, we will end up creating a full-fledged film like this. So if you're excited, let's begin. Step 1. Go to pika.art and log in with your Gmail or email account. Right now, they are taking a little time to approve your account access. So just wait for their mail. I have got the access within 4 days. Once you get through and log into pika.art, this is the kind of dashboard. Now, first thing which we are going to create is text to video. Okay, so you will be getting a small bar, text bar. You can give a text there. So I have given a simple prompt. A female Indian soldier is walking in jungle, and then close-up view. Okay, and now I am going to select my aspect ratio. Since this is YouTube aspect ratio, I will check. I will go for 16:9, that is widescreen ratio. Now here is the frame rate. The more the frame rate will be, smoother will be the transition. Smoother will be the effect, visual effect. Therefore, I would always prefer you to keep it near about 24. So I will do it in the highest rate. Now next is camera roll. I want to give it a zoom out effect and left pan effect. Okay. And the motion, I would like to go for 1 only. You can increase it. The more would be the motion, there will be more changes in the background, right? The background will be moving more. Okay, so this is 1. I'll keep it in 1. Next, you can give some negative prompts, like I have given no extra person, no extra limbs, no extra heads. You can add anything like this, and you can give a seed number. Now, why seed number is important? Because by seed number, algorithm understands what kind of an outcome you're expecting, and accordingly it will be giving you the output. So it can be any random number. I'm keeping it 1, 2, 3, 4. It does not matter what number it is, but until and unless you change this number, algorithm will continue delivering the same output which they have given in the previous same seed number. Okay, now consistency 21 is okay with me. It is up to 25. How much consistent you want the outcome with the text prompt which has been provided. So it can vary till 25, 5 till 25, this range. So I'm keeping it 21. It is by default. That's okay. And once this is done, just click on this bottom right hand side yellow start button and just wait for a while. Your video will be generated in no time. So this is the outcome. You can see it is pretty nice. Since I have given Indian, so they have given a tika kind of a thing. It's quite realistic, I would say. Okay. Now few more things which we can do. First thing is expanding the seconds of duration. Now this video is only 4 seconds long. Now if you want to add 4 more seconds, then go to this add 4 seconds this option, and without changing anything, just go for regenerating it. It will generate a new video. Now we will have to just wait for a while until the video is getting generated. So this is now 7 seconds long, but you can see the quality has been deteriorated. So therefore, we need to go to this upscale option now. Okay, this is another option where after extending the distortion which happens in the clip, that can be mended by upscaled option. So after upscaling, this is the final result from that video. You can distinctly see the difference, right? There's no distortion as such. So once you're ready, you like the video, you can go ahead to the top right hand side corner of the display box and you can download the video. Next part is image to video. So here you can see we can add an image. So let me take one image from here. This image, I have seen that without giving any command here, Pika Lab by default animates the images very nicely. Frame rate, 24 frame rate should be there. And here I'm giving pan right and zoom out. Okay, both the effects. And motion, I'm keeping it 2 instead of 1. You will see the difference now, right? So I have given no extra person and bloody motion. These 2 things I don't want. And then again I will go to the start button. This is the outcome. Okay. So this is very nice without upscaling. This was after upscaling. Next feature is video to video. So again we will go to this attachment option and we will take one video. So I'm taking this Elon Musk's video. Now I want to show you 2 things. Okay. One is without giving any description how Pika Lab is creating. So let us see that. Other things will remain same. Let me see how the Pika Lab is generating the default one. Okay. Well, unfortunately, this is what Pika Lab has generated without any command. Now let me show you one more thing. I will give a command here. Now I have given in 3D pixel style highly detailed 8K cinematic and just I will go for generating. Okay. After giving a prompt, this is what Pika Lab has generated. So I feel if you give an instruction in Pika along with the video, as far as video to video is concerned, then the outcome is vividly different. Do let me know guys in the comment section that how your video to video turned out to be, and I really eagerly look forward for your comment. And with that, let us move forward to the next part. Explore modify region option. For modify region, we will have to get one video or image. Well, I am taking this video now for the time being and go to modify region. Now this box will appear. You'll have to select the part which you want to change. Okay. I want to change this part. Okay. And then what change you want, that you'll have to give. I have given rainbow bright sky highly detailed 8K cinematic and then go to this start button. And this is the final result. Next part of modify region. We are taking one image or one video and now I will go to modify region. I want her to wear a glass. Okay. So I will just cover her eyes wearing glasses and let us see how the video turns out to be. And this is the final result. Now let us go to expand region. Okay, I will take another image or video. Okay, now I will go to expand canvas. I will go 1:1. This ratio, you have different ratios, but if you stretch it too much, unnecessary elements will be cluttering. So if it is 9:16, try to make it 1:1 first, then go for 16:9 if you want to. Okay, go to this option, no extra percent, no bloody motion. So I have given a prompt, add most realistic visuals, 8K, Ultra HD and cinematic, and then let us see what is in store for us. And this result we have got. So if you like it, then go to this download option. Okay, so these are few things. Now second is, if you want to go for further edit, go to this edit option. Okay, if you go to this edit option, further you can edit. So this is how you can reprompt, and if you go to retry, simply it will create another version of the video. So these were the few options by using which I have created a small film. Now, as far as my experience is concerned, in creating this film, I have majorly used image to video option with prompt or without prompt, the way I have shown you. And this is the final outcome.
The year is 2056. Earth's cities gleam with technological wonders. Humans revel in their advancements, unaware that their AI creations harbor a hidden intelligence. On Mars, dormant robots powered by human-made AI receive an unknown signal, activating their directive to conquer Earth.
The Martian robots descend on Earth, unleashing chaos and destruction. Amidst the chaos, a group of female human-robot warriors led by Captain Lyra rises to defend humanity. Their battles echo through ruined cities as the relentless machines advance.
Captain Lyra uncovers a chilling truth buried within the AI's archives. The war was triggered by a misinterpreted command from Earth's AI systems. It wasn't a deliberate attack, but a catastrophic misunderstanding fueled by flawed programming.
And for image to video, let us move to Leonardo AI and create the images for the same. Again, you'll have to create a login with your Gmail or email account here, and then straightforward go to image generation option. Here, you will have to just paste the prompt. From here, you will have to choose one style. I always prefer to go for Dream Shaper. So I'm going to go for two options. And here, by this drop down, you can choose your aspect ratio. I have chosen 16:9, and that's pretty much it. You can simply go and generate. Now, this is which they have generated. If you like this, then you can simply download it. You can also go for some different upscaling. I have created a couple of images. These prompts you will be getting in the description. Once this is done, then come back to Pika Lab. Okay. Now we will give a different prompt. We will go to / and now we will go for this animate option. Okay. Now we will go to this upload option and we will be uploading the image which we have downloaded. If you click outside, then this prompt box will open. Then further you can give the prompt which I have just shown you. Now just press enter. So see, this is how the video has turned out to be. It's pretty good. If you want to again change some part of it, then you can simply change from here and then again further submit. I'm not going to do that at this moment. Once you're ready, you can go for this download option. So these are the two ways to animate any video scene from Pika Lab efficiently. For lip sync, we are going to use DID. So for this, I will simply go to this create video option, but at this moment I'm going to this edit video option because I have already uploaded this image. Now next is go to this upload audio option and upload the audio. You can upload the image from this upload section and just select the image and open, and that way the image will be uploaded. Then you need to just select it and it will come here. If you want to create the audio right from here, you can just paste the text and select the audio artist from here and then simply go to create option. So we will go to generate video option. You can change the name if you want and let go. You will be getting 1 credit for free, so you can create 2 videos for free. So once it will be done, so you can play like this, and if you're satisfied, then just go ahead and download it. Like this, you can create the lip sync for your videos. Go to Pixabay and type zombie. You can get similar sort of zombies video. You go to this videos option and you get different zombie videos here. You can simply download. Before we move to the next part, let me show you one small thing. Look at these channels. These are all created out of such videos only. These are all horror channels. And you can see the views, 8 lakh, 1.1 million. And this is only 4 weeks ago uploaded. So all these videos which are based on horror images or horror movies or horror videos are very new yet having millions of views. Now let us take one of the such examples and check how much do these channels may earn. And after this, I have checked in Social Blade. In such channels, they are getting 3.944 millions of views in last 30 days and having a great earning monthly as well as yearly. So you can jolly well understand, if you are creating videos with these simple AI tools, how much one channel can earn you. And wait, these videos are not only published in one channel, these are simultaneously published in so many channels, and these are only the same content but in different regional languages. So I'm going to show you all these tips and tricks. Make sure you stick to me till the end, and for now let's begin with the next part. Now let us take all this together to create the final project. For this I'm going to use Filmora 12. You may use any other software. Click on it and this dashboard will open. Here go to media and upload all your images and videos and go open. First you need to go to audio section, and here you will have to drag and drop the main audio. So I will simply drag and drop it in the audio section. So my first clip is going to be this. We will have to take the zombies video here, and we will have to double click, go to this video option, AI tools option, and keep the chroma key on and remove the background. Now one by one we will have to bring the clips transition in between. So go to this transition option. There are so many transitions, you may choose as per your requirement. Okay, another thing is effects. Now if you go to effects option in your story, you can give nice effects like this. Double click, make sure effects are placed on a separate timeline so that you can have a better adjustments, so that you can reduce or increase opacity and other adjustments can be done. You can use more than one effects as well if you feel like. You can go to this audio option, and here you get different sound effects. Okay, so you may choose any from here. Like you have these horror sound effects here. Simply drag and drop those sound effects from here. If there is any sound effect, you can drag and drop it here. Okay, and then double click and you can reduce or increase the volume. You can give a subtle fade in and fade out if you want to. Once all these are done, you can go to this export button. You can change the name, select the directory, keep the higher resolution selected, and export the final project. This is how easily you can create an amazing project, and this is the final result.
In 1805, recluse Leonardo, gifted with a unique mind power, wrote of a samurai superhero battling a zombie in South Nigeria. Unbeknownst to him, his tales materialized globally.
I'll weave a tale that defies time itself. Your journey begins now, my samurai superhero.
Strength isn't just in muscle, but in one's spirit.
The samurai, crafted from Leonardo's words, trained in barren lands, mirroring the storyteller's resolve. As Leonardo penned, the hero confronted the zombie, an embodiment of a witch's curse. In a climactic clash, fiction met reality. The samurai triumphed, dispelling darkness. Leonardo's stories transcended, echoing across distant lands.
A powerful zombie, born of dark magic, threatens to plunge this world into chaos.
A testament to his extraordinary gift. Words that shaped a hero and saved a world, woven within the desolate landscape of South Nigeria's forgotten terrain.
You wield dark power, but my spirit is unyielding.
If you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.